Innovation is the driving force that defines Vitrum. This exhibition doesn't just showcase technologies, it puts them center stage, highlighting the quality and groundbreaking potential of machinery, special products, and accessories for glass processing.
In this edition, we will try to involve all the players in the glass supply chain. I am very pleased that the new director of GMAV and general manager of Vitrum has managed to engage universities, the Stazione Sperimentale del Vetro, material manufacturers who are closely connected to us as they are upstream in our supply chain, and also the processors. I am truly grateful to the academic community because together with architects and engineers, we will seek to work towards a new future. I see glass as the most resilient sector within the entire Italian industrial landscape.
At the 24th edition, visitors have experienced innovation firsthand, engaging with the industry's leading players at the booths and through high-value events. With the Technology District Talks, universities and research centers unveiled projects and prototypes, proving how applied research fuels new solutions for the manufacturing of tomorrow.
At the opening conference, we welcome distinguished guests from the world of academic research, the University of Trento, UAV of Venice, Ca' Foscari University of Venice, the Bruno Kessler Foundation, and Glassform, a company working with artificial intelligence. The discussions touched on several key topics, such as the crucial importance of building connections between research, both academic and beyond, and the business world as the only true driver of development. We also addressed the many challenges the sector is facing, which can be seen not only as obstacles but as opportunities, and explored how research can play a role in advancing sustainability in the glass industry, in shaping the relationship between innovation and the world of work, and in building bridges between past and present, and between present and future. Lastly, we emphasized how cross-disciplinary skills and the right training can open the door to the future of the glass sector.
Regulations also play a key role in driving progress. As highlighted by the lawyers of Rodel and Partner Italy, the upcoming Machinery Regulation 2025 represents a strategic opportunity to seize the benefits of new European standards.
We would like to thank GMAV and Vitrum once again for giving us the opportunity to discuss a new regulation, the Machinery Regulation. Although it will only come into force in some time, companies need to start thinking about it now. Thanks to lawyer Martini, whom I will now hand over to, we also had the chance to understand how many existing regulations already interact in meaningful ways with this new framework. Isn't that right, Nadia?
Absolutely. Essentially, to comply with the machinery regulation, what we really need to do is comply with the regulations already in place, like the AI Act, cybersecurity regulations, the Data Act, and GDPR. If we start from there, we'll already be aligned with the machinery regulation. On the other hand, if we wait until 2027 to comply directly with the new regulation, we will automatically end up complying with all the earlier ones as well. Would you agree, Giuseppe?
I would. To sum it up, the most important point is optimization, an essential concept for any business. Achieving more with what you already have, and always with an eye on maximizing efficiency, including in managing the inevitable costs that will arise.
Innovation was ultimately celebrated with the presentation of the Invite and Win and Best Tech Awards, honoring the most cutting-edge technologies, selected directly by visitors. This moment also turned the spotlight toward the future, offering a preview of the next edition of the fair, enriched by the insights of Simona Greco, hosted exhibition director of Fiera Milano SPA.
As VITRUM25, our 24th edition comes to an end, it once again confirms its strong international character. More than half of our visitors came from abroad. Vitrum remains the stage where we showcase cutting-edge machinery and accessories for glass processing. This year, for the first time, the entire supply chain was represented, a change we introduced to give greater visibility to all the players involved for the benefit of visitors. Anyone coming from far away could find everything here: machinery, raw materials, technological solutions with the Stazione Sperimentale del Vetro, and essentially the whole supply chain gathered in one place. This year we also introduced master classes focusing on key topics in glass processing. One of the most important themes for our industry is culture, the know-how and craftsmanship of glass. Passing this knowledge on to younger generations is essential. We need to formalize this transfer of technology and skills, ensuring that new operators are well prepared. This is one of the directions we want to pursue to better serve our end customers. In my opinion, glass has shown remarkable resilience during a time of international crisis, marked by high interest rates and difficulties in the housing and residential markets. Glass has shown remarkable resilience thanks to one of its key qualities. It is a green material that meets the need for homes that are more energy efficient and offer greater openness to the outside world. Even in the midst of crisis, glass has held its ground and offered real opportunities. Looking ahead, as interest rates decline and construction activity recovers, I believe we are facing a very promising moment for our industry, and we must be ready to seize this opportunity.
At Vitrum, innovation powers concrete change, shaping a more competitive, international, and sustainable glass industry.